in the next building. Pull the two disconnects and check them two at a time. Got the disconnects pulled, discharge capacitor. Capacitors hold the charge. And the power is disconnected. So just connecting the start wires. It's about the fastest way to do this. These, I believe, are 40/5s on both of them. Yep. This one should be 40. 39, it's good. .96, it's good. That one's good. Next, looking for 40. Checking the 5. 4.89 is good. .42 is bad. Got a bad 40/5 here. Uh-oh. I don't think I have anymore. That sucks. Ay, ay, ay. I need a 40/5 on that unit. I'm gonna check my bag. Go from there. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so it's a 30 right now, so 29, you know. So it's weak. You know, if you're a traditional AC maintenance guy, you'd be letting people know that it's weak and recommending replacement, and then making a decision based off of what they decided. It should still start just fine. So I've got them on order. They should be here any day. So I'm just going to note this one and come back to it. So I'll hook it back up. Got to pull the little dust cover off to test it. It's almost not worth it, but anyway. Plug these back in, verify they both work. They should have no problem starting even at 30, especially with the hard start kit on there. So the hard start kit will add the initial boost to start. So it'll be okay, but to make it better, I would rather replace it. So here we go. Good. Flashing nice and cold. Okay, here's the one in question. See, started no problem. Flashing nice and cold. So no problem there, but you know, tested at 30, it should be a 40, plus or minus 10%, so it should be at least 38. But it's at 30. As soon as my capacitors come in, I'll know which one to change. This one right here. No big deal. Again, that's got to be a frustrating thing for UAC guys that know that should be replaced, and someone says no. The charge on the capacitor. I'm lucky in building maintenance, I get to decide what to replace. So I just have a budget to work within, and it's saving the budget to replace these, and that capacitor is definitely a lot cheaper than a new compressor. or new fan motor, or new wiring, new breakers, because it will cause wear and tear on everything else. Last year, through all the preventative maintenance, I didn't have to replace one single compressor or one single condenser, and that's by checking all these capacitors and replacing them that were weak. So, all right, well, I'll note that one and replace it.
Well, I made about a mile or two, and oh my, what is that coming at me from a distance? Oh no, it's a Polly and the store. His scales off, his pride, he had the feet of a bear, the mouth of a lion, the wings of a dragon. I cannot run, there's no arm for my back. I must fight my way through this. Oh, help me, my king. Oh, help me, my king.
Who are you? Where do you come from? And where do you think you're going?
I was born in the city of destruction, but I heed the warning to flee from the wrath to come. So I set out on this journey to Mount Zion to seek the city of my King.
By this I see that you are mine, born in territory of which I'm called a king.
I indeed was born in your dominion, but your service, it was hard. Your wages were such a man cannot live, for the wages of sin is death. Therefore I've given myself to another.
What makes you think you'll be accepted by this king? You've been unfaithful to him already. You fell into the slough. You try to do things your own way. You're full of pride and vainglory in everything you say and do.
All you said is true, and much more you have left out. But the King which I serve is gracious and ready to forgive. Oh, ready to forgive. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I hate this king. I am an enemy to him. I hate his ways. I hate his people. Prepare yourself to fight.
As Christian tends to his wounds, he hears a still small voice in his head sing, Jesus went to the cross for you, bear suffering and shame, taking the penalty for your sin, taking the blame. He loves you. He loves you. 3 days later he rose from the grave. He has rolled a stone, rolled it away. He loves you.